once again will tell the nation of Ethiopia, killing people is wrong! Keep your voices alive, folks! My name is Senator John Hoffman from Brooklyn Park. Thank you for keeping this alive. Keep this alive. Keep hope and faith alive. And thank you. This is what it's about to be in Minnesota. We can peacefully protest here and not worry about getting shot. Thank you for keeping your voices active. Let's go forward. We cannot have peace without justice, and we must have justice.
Thank you so much, AJ. I'll take him out here. And then that's her. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.